From Project 39 Mini Album, and I want to show you what I smashed for the Smash That Small Paper Pad collab. This collab is hosted by Deb Houck of Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage, and we bring to you each month what we've done to use up a paper pad from our stash, anything smaller than a 12 by 12. I started with this Authentique Rugged Collection paper pad. It's from 2016. I've had it for a while. And actually I had about a pad and a half, but I started using it with the June sheet load of cards, which you may have seen, the cards I made, and I figured while I had it out, I might as well try to use it all up. So besides probably had about 30 pieces of the paper, because this is 24 pieces, and I had some of another pad, and I had some of these, I don't know, journaling cards from the same collection, and I thought I should cut this out, and I still might do that. All I have left of the paper pad are these scraps, and actually this and this and that and that and that I will put in my ephemera, and I don't know that I'm going to use that. So besides those scraps, I am done. So let me show you what I made with the majority of the paper. I made this, I'm not sure what it's called, a Z-fold album. Well, let me show you how it works. It's a card, and I guess it's a card, it's an album. It's put together by cutting papers down, and then on this one I made 2.5-inch pockets, and just in some of the pockets I put some of those journaling cards. I cut some ephemera out and glued it on. This one I don't have anything in that pocket. I need to find something. There we go. Here's just a little folder. So this one, since it's such a masculine look, I could see this being Father's Day. I know it's past, but it's the kind of thing you could use for Father's Day. It just has ephemera on it, and you could put cards in, you could write notes, you know, different things that you may remember doing with your dad or grandpa or whatever. So on the back I cut out of a second layer of those, and this is sort of like a library card, and I cut the top with a punch. So I've got 2 tags in this pocket, 1 tag in here, and that says chapter 1, Life at the Beginning. So again, that goes with this book theme, and you could put something in that little tuck spot. And there we go. So you can have it stand up on your mantelpiece, or lay it down, or put it in a card and send it. And you could use a tie to hold it together. I did not want to use a tie. I just thought that would be too feminine. So I have this bicycle paper clip that works really well to put it together. So there is that. And then I had just a little bit of paper left over besides the cards I made for the sheet load of cards, and I just made some extra cards with it. I fussy cut this truck because he was adorable, and why not? And yeah, just made some simple cards with the leftover papers. So that is what I did to smash that small paper pad, and I declare my paper pad actually smashed for this month. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out all the other collaborators listed below, and check them out and give them some love. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.